Introduction to Mindful Bullet Journaling in Notion.
Bullet journaling in Notion is a powerful way to stay organized while promoting mindfulness. By customizing your digital journal, you can combine planning with wellness practices. Let's explore how to set up and maintain a bullet journaling workflow in Notion that nurtures both productivity and mental well-being.
Setting up your bullet journal template.
Start by creating a bullet journal template in Notion. Include daily, weekly, and monthly pages to track tasks, moods, habits, and goals. Use checkboxes for tasks and templates for repeating pages. Organize your pages with clear headings like gratitude log or mindful moments to keep wellness top of mind.
Incorporating mindfulness trackers.
Add mindfulness trackers to your Notion journal, such as a mood tracker, meditation log, or a gratitude section. These trackers provide valuable insight into your well-being over time and motivate you to establish mindful routines. Visualizing your progress encourages consistency and a deeper sense of self-awareness.
Using Notion features for reflection.
Leverage Notion's features like linked databases and toggles for regular reflection. Create prompts such as, "What went well today?" or "What stressed me out?" These sections invite you to pause daily, fostering both self-reflection and stress reduction. Reflecting within your journal strengthens mindfulness and helps clarify your needs.
Maintaining a consistent journaling habit.
Set gentle reminders within Notion or through your calendar app to encourage daily journaling. Keep your setup simple. Fewer pages and easy entry points reduce overwhelm. Remember, bullet journaling is most effective when you're consistent. Celebrate small wins and allow flexibility to adapt your workflow to your evolving mindfulness goals.